At LPU School of Physical Education, we train not just educators, but champions of movement and health. Students undergo rigorous practical training in anatomy, physiology, sports psychology, and pedagogy. Through EduRevolution, traditional theory meets real-world action. Students coach live teams, create fitness modules, and lead health campaigns. Here, 50% of learning happens through on-ground experience. 50% takes place outside classrooms, in fields, gyms, and wellness labs. And 50% of assessments are project-based, driven by practical application, not written tests. Professional courts turn theory into physical mastery. Our alumni are shaping lives across schools, fitness chains, and sports organizations in India and abroad. Graduates have secured roles as physical educators, fitness trainers, and athletic directors. Highest package goes up to 9 LPA. Top recruiters include Fit India, Decathlon, and premier public schools with global affiliations. Come, join us at the School of Physical Education at LPU and empower the world through movement.